mouth by lining my lips and filling them in with a lip liner. Now this particular lip liner is a discontinued, formula line, product line from Avon. And the color is discontinued too, from what I can tell. It was the Color Trend lip liner in the shade Rosebud. But I did find two dupes. One is a Nars dupe from their lip pencil. It's $22 though. But if you're like a Nars addict and love their stuff, that's your dupe. For those who need a more affordable option, Wet n Wild has one. And I will give the shade name down in the description because I can't remember it off the top of my head. Okay, after I filled in my lips, I took my Illuminate Cosmetics cheek and lip tint, and it's in the shade Peaches and Cream. And I dotted it on my lips. Now, since this product is used on my lips and my cheek, I don't double dip with the same finger, without wiping off first, so you'll see me going through different fingers while I'm patting it on. And you don't want to rub the tint on your lips if you choose to use the tint, but if you choose to use a lipstick, and I do not recommend a liquid lipstick, but if you choose to use a lipstick, you could do the same tap motion with that straight from the tube. And in between color applications, I blot. And I do this because years ago I found that layering my lip color, even if I was just wearing one shade, helped it to last longer. Now here I'm using a gloss. Now I'm not using a, one of those really liquid glosses. I'm using the Glossy Balm from L'Oreal. Now this shade, I can't find it on the L'Oreal site, but I know this store still sell it. It's called Ginger Candy. I've seen it on Amazon. It's still listed at Walmart, so you can find it at different stores. You might have to search maybe, but it's still out there in circulation to be purchased. And again, you saw that I blotted. Now here's where I go in with my highlighters. And this is the e.l.f. highlighter in Glow. Now from what I could tell, e.l.f. doesn't entirely always discontinue stuff. They just might take it out of circulation for a while. So I don't know if they brought this back in circulation. It was gone for a little bit and came back one time, and it's gone again now. But if it ever comes back again, it's the shade Glow. It's only $2. You can probably find it in stores too. And here I'm taking a lip pencil and I'm lining the inner corners of my mouth, because I want the inner corners to be deeper, because I'm building dimension here. And one of the reasons to do that, and I learned this from Destiny Godling. You should check out her YouTube channel if you haven't already. If you dot a lighter shade in the middle of your mouth, or like a gloss, it brings attention to it, and it makes your lips look poutier. Not necessarily fuller all the time, but it gives you a more alluring pout. Okay, now I'm going in with the second powder, and this one is an eyeshadow shade from my Beach Goddess palette. And those shades are frosty. And since this was like a summer lip I was doing, I figured the little, warm frosty look would be suitable for it. And you can see how, like, in different lights you get different facets of it. Sometimes it turns out to look a little bit more peachy, sometimes more pink. It depends on how the light catches you and the different angles you use.